In this video, we will show you how to replace the engine oil and filter on this Chevy Malibu with a 2.5 liter engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we need to mention is you are going to need to make your way under the vehicle, so make sure you're in a safe area to do so. Also, hand and eye protection. Let's make our way under the hood. Along the top of the valve cover, you're going to find your engine oil cap. Take hold of that and turn it counterclockwise. Along the top, it's going to tell you exactly what type of oil you need to use. 520 Dexos approved. Make sure you have 5 quarts of that and your brand new oil filter. Safely make your way under the vehicle. We'll be looking for our engine oil pan. On the rear of the oil pan, you're going to find a 15mm headed drain plug. When you go to remove this, be careful. As you pull this out, the oil that's behind here will want to come out rearward. You can go ahead and carefully take this out slowly and direct the fluid down into your collection bucket. While that's draining, let's pay attention to our drain plug and drain plug gasket. If it looks like either of these are damaged in any way, go ahead and replace them. Once your engine oil is finished draining, continue on with reinstalling your engine oil drain plug. Start it in by hand and bottom it out. Torque that to 18 foot-pounds. Let's clean up our mess here and make our way along the front of the engine. Here's where we're going to find our engine oil filter. You can use a medium-sized engine oil filter wrench. We'll turn this counterclockwise. Make sure you have your collection bucket under here. There is oil in this area. Once you have the engine oil filter out of there, go ahead and clean up the mounting point. Make sure that it's a smooth surface and there's no dirt or debris in this area. It's also a good idea to make sure there's no existing gasket. You don't want to have a double gasketed situation. Now let's prepare to prime our oil filter. What I mean by that is take some clean motor oil and come right directly in the center of the oil filter. Once it gets up to the top, go ahead and take a glove finger, take some of that clean oil and make sure you coat the entire gasket. After that, go ahead and take this and put it in place. Screw it in so it's touching up against the engine, and then we'll make sure it's nice and tight with our oil filter wrench. Let's get this on here. Just make sure this is snug. Double check to make sure that's completely secure. You do not want this loosening up on you while you're driving down the road. While we're down here, let's go ahead and clean up our mess and do one last inspection. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Back under the hood, we'll continue with a funnel. Use 5 quarts of 5W20 oil. You can also use 0W20 if needed. Just make sure it's Dexos approved. Make sure we get all this last quart in here. Remove your funnel and reinstall your engine oil cap. Okay friends, now that we finished adding 5 quarts of 520 oil, make sure you're on a smooth level surface. Go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for approximately 15 seconds and turn it off. Make sure you have no engine oil leaks. After that, make your way out here to your engine oil dipstick. We'll lift that up and out of here, give it a quick wipe. Now that we have that out of here, let's have a look right along this area. You're going to find a hatched area with 3 dots. When the engine oil is full, you should be right up at that top dot there. If it's below the hatched area, add a little bit. If you're anywhere above the hatched area, you need to make sure you drain some out. All right, let's check that engine oil level. Now as you can see, my engine oil level is perfect with 5 quarts of 5W20 oil. Go ahead and reinstall that engine oil dipstick. Okay friend, we showed you how to change the oil on your vehicle. At this point, go ahead and close the hood and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.